What if I told you you use money every day, but no one taught you how it actually works? What is money? Why do banks exist? Why do we save? And how do credit cards really work? Hi, I am MrRoXyNant and welcome to this channel. If you ever felt like personal finance is confusing, so don't worry. This channel is built for complete beginner. We're not jumping into investing. We're not talking about trading. Instead, we are starting where everyone should start. From the very basics. One simple question, one simple answer, and one simple video at a time. Together, we will learn how money works in everyday life. From saving and budgeting to banking, credit cards, loan, taxes, and everything in between. No complicated lecture, no boring financial terms, just clear and simple explanation that anyone can understand. Whether you are a student, a young adult, or someone who want to get better with money, you are in the right place. So if you are ready to build a strong foundation in personal finance, hit the subscribe button and let's start with the most important question of all. What is money? Welcome to Mr. RoXyNant.